today we're going to show you using the minijet 4400B. This one is an HVLP. It has a 1.2 SR nozzle in it. You can see we've got the black cup on it, and that's because we're going to shoot a UV primer. For UV, which is becoming increasingly popular for shops because of its speed and its great film build rates and how fast you can get on top of this and finish scratches or finish over bodywork. Incredible products. So again, we're going to use this minijet with a 4400 with a 1.2 SR. We're going to be spraying today a product from Sikkens called their Auto Surfacer UV, which is a ready to spray product. So you shake this very, very well. It goes in the cup and you can leave it in your gun all day inside this cup. So that's another huge advantage. You're going to use very little of it. We're also going to be using today the Spectratech InstaCure, their UV LED light. This thing is using a very safe UVA technology. So we're going to show you how to use this. Very, very close gun distance, only a couple inches off the panel. It's a safe light. It has an auto feature on this that is nice because I can preset it to, like this one happens to be 30 seconds. So any repairs that we do that are smaller than a volleyball, it takes about 30 seconds to cure. If you're doing larger spots or you accidentally over apply each coat, then it may take up to 2 minutes. But what's really nice is you can put this product on 2 coats, only a 3 to 8 second flash between coats if you're doing small repairs, smaller than that volleyball size, and then hit it one time with this for 30 seconds. This light being UVA, it's safe, but it also doesn't create any heat. So you can immediately sand your product, get it out of the booth, get it out of the repair shop. So very, very fast. We'll show you a little demonstration on how to adjust the gun and how to do this spot repair using UV primer. All right, so now what we'll do is we're going to do the repair. To get the SATAminijet 4400 gun adjusted to do a repair that is, I want to keep small, there's a few key things. We're going to leave the fan control knob on the side, which is also known as the round flat spray. We're going to leave that forward all the way wide open, but we're going to adjust our fluid control knob at the rear of the gun to bring the fluid amount down. So we're going to have this adjusted in. By limiting that fluid knob down, it sets my trigger shorter distance, and now each time I pull that trigger I get the same amount of fluid, a much more consistent pass each time, and a much more consistent fluid build across the entire repair. We're going to be spraying this gun at about 22 to 24 psi to go in and do this repair. So we'll show you exactly how to do that on this panel. When we're done, 2 coats, 3 to 8 seconds between coat. Again, if the repair is larger than a volleyball, then we may give a little more time, apply a little more primer surfacer. But once we put 3 to 8 seconds between coats and put that second coat on here, we're then going to use the Spectratech InstaCure UV light at a very close distance, and we're going to turn that on the automatic setting, and we're going to dry that for about 30 seconds. At the end, again, if you had a larger repair, it may take from 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. Or if you over apply, it may take up to that 2 minutes to cure. But there's no heat. It's a UVA safe light to use. You don't obviously want to look in the light. You don't want to shine it on your painter neighbor. But if we keep that very close to the panel, it's a very safe light to use and definitely speeds things up.